Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get trial balance report here in Zoho Books. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your dashboard. Now, in the left panel, you have reports right here. So just click on it. Now, in here, in this panel, just go ahead and scroll down and find Accountant. Click on it. And then once you are under the Accountants tab, okay, right here, okay, as you can see, we have a trial balance. So what you do is just click on it. And once done, go ahead and go to the top right and customize your report. So if you want to add in account description, debit or credit, and even opening balance and closing balance, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign right here to move it to the selected columns. Okay, you can go ahead and add them all if you want to as well. So just click on apply, and then once done, select the date, okay, and report basis right here. You have the drop down. Okay, maybe for example this month, and the basis could be accrual or cash. Okay, once that's done, just gotta click on Run Report. There you go, and here you have your trial balance. And if you want to as well, you gotta export it at the top. You can export it as PDF or XLS, XLSX, or Zoho Sheet, or print it here as well. Okay, here you have your data. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.